Do you think, I mean, going forward, what do you think is the strategy? What do you think, is there a special set of proposals, or are you going to just say, we have given you all these schemes, and so, the election was basically fought on the basis of Narendra Modi. Everywhere, your own candidates, I was in the campaign trail of H. Raja, he kept talking about Modi, Edappadi kept talking about Modi, but you lost. So what is the new thing, or what is different that you're going to do going forward in Tamil Nadu?
So only this countering and this countering the negative propaganda, we have to do that. We have to be very furious on that.
Okay.
So only this language policy.
Right.
Immediately they didn't know the real procedure of it, and that same negative propaganda they want to continue this time also. We thought people will be knowing about that, and now we also very strong in giving back. So immediately we came to a conclusion that if we leave this without explanation, these people will take this in hand.
Are you for or against two language policy? Do you want state Tamil Nadu to implement three languages?
No, I support two language policy,
okay.
But I support more three language policy. It's not Hindi. It's not Hindi. But learning another language will increase the prospects of the children, their business opportunity,
should it be
their
compulsory?
Educational opportunity, their research opportunity, their travel opportunity. Why are you denying that? Another thing, Kasturi Rangan has clearly told, in the younger age, grasping power will be more. So learning an additional language, when it is going to be beneficial for the student in their life, why it is denied, I am asking. When they can do, then while asking, why are you asking them to learn history? Are they going to be a historian? Why are you asking them to learn science? If they are going to have only literature, why don't they learn literature? Why are you asking all of them to study everything? Same explanation. So you are learning history, you are learning maths, you are learning biology, you learn another additional language also.
But
another thing, India is multilinguistic.
Right.
When we are sitting in a country like this, learning another language will increase your prospects. It will create a bright future for you. You can travel to northern India without any hesitation. If you learn Hindi, then I am not telling that. If you learn Hindi, it will be more beneficial. That is my view. That is not. I am the strong lover of my language. In my name itself, Tamil is there. My life is Tamil. My blood and nerve, everywhere it is Tamil. But if I am telling learn another language, it is not that Tamil is not with love with my language. I am more. I love my language more than anybody. It is not that my love to my language is nowhere inferior to Stalin.
Should it be compulsory or should it be optional?
Optional.
Okay.
It is not imposition. It is option.
And would you encourage that? Would you
Definitely.
encourage Tamils to learn another language?
Three things. As a leader also I am encouraging. As a doctor also I am encouraging. Because as a child, if you want to learn Hindi, if you go now, it will take 1 year. A child can learn it in 1 month. So when there is grasp, now the prospects are more, that the horizon is widened. This is the era of internet, as Mr. Kasturi Rangan has clearly mentioned. The present policy was drafted 25 years back. At that time there is no any internet. Now it's a era of internet. It's a era of traveling. It's a era of widened horizon, widened opportunity. So why it is denied?
Okay, fair enough.
Nehru period is there.
Right.
But Nehru period people are gone. It is now Modi period people are here.
Okay.
So
and you think it's a changed India,
yes,
changed Tamil Nadu
yes.
too? Okay. Do you, I mean, in the sense of, when do you think BJP is going to become a significant force, or would you, if you were to wish for it?
Tamil Nadu?
Yes.
Definitely. Now itself we are significant party only because we have improved our gather base, we have improved our grassroots level. I cannot say this election result as a measure for the growth, because some type of false propaganda took a good stage and it has dragged on the result like that. So only I don't accept Stalin also is an alternate force in Tamil Nadu. It is not due to Stalin. If it is due to Stalin, Stalin would have won the 22
By polls.
by polls also. Propaganda and false promises.
Promises
Two
made.
piece.
Okay.
False propaganda, false promises. They told they will scrape away NEET.
Right. The Congress promised it in their
Promised it,
manifesto.
but
Yes.
how can they do it? Legally, they cannot do it. It is the verdict of the Supreme Court.
Right.
How can they do it? I am asking. One person is imprisoned under the verdict of law. If they can say, if I come out, they will be just released. Okay, it could be done. Like that, it is the verdict of the Supreme Court. So they are giving false propaganda. Another thing, they are telling this: if you pledge your jewels, we will take it away. Believing that in the between in the months of before the results, most of the people they pledged it, and they were telling Congress and DMK will release us. So these type of false propaganda.
Loan waivers, right.
So false promises and false propaganda
Okay.
took the fourth stage.
Okay. Do you see the alliance with ADMK continuing until 2021
So our
into the
friendship
future?
is continuous. It's continuing.
Okay.
And we have to decide further
Okay.
when we face the elections.
Okay.
But a party should, as such, a party should grow. A party should be strengthened. So if we are even in the non-electoral period, if we are telling we are aligned, we are alliance partners, under platform and for our common cause, for celebrations, we can come together. We are alliance partners. But growing the party, strengthening the party, I have to take my work forward within my party.
Okay.
So if I am telling no, we will be alliance forever, my party worker will think, oh, this constituency, whether should I work? This constituency, the councillor is sitting councillor is ADMK, whether I could get the seat. Otherwise, this constituency is DMDK, PMK. Will I get a seat? So that's
You're better off being stronger on your own.
I don't want to happen.
Okay.
So let us decide about the. Now we are friends. Definitely, we are continuing our alliance. But whether local body and other elections, we are going to that after the announcement of the election. After the announcement of the process, we will reveal whether we are going to take the election with alliance or without alliance.
The notification is set to come
I
soon.
want my party to be get strengthened.
Okay.
So I cannot say no. Another thing, each and every election is a different process.
Right.
So if we form an alliance and continuously, you cannot say all are aligned partners.
Okay.
So each election after announcement, there will be a sitting, there will be sharing, and there will be an announcement.
So you would consider it.
Practically, I am speaking.
Okay. So you would consider the alliance even for local body polls. It's not a settled done deal.
We don't have any point not to consider.
Okay.
Let us see.
Okay. There's one, I have to ask you this question. There's much talk that there's going to be a change in the leadership, entire new set of office bearers. How do you deal with those reports?
My party very well know that it's a collective leadership which is performing in Tamil Nadu, in spite of me be the leader. And all our senior leaders, we are unitedly, we are working. And apart from that, my party is more confident on me. My hard work, my commitment to the party, and my talents, everything my party knows, my commitment and my adherence to the ideology of the party. In spite of being a person from a Congress family, for the past 20 years, I am working for my party. I love my party, and I am a hard-working president, and my party knows that. So immediately, they don't like Congress, they don't pluck it and put it like that and then pluck another person.
Okay.
Persistent and consistent leadership, they believe it and they practice it.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being with us and sharing your thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.